अच्छा जी, अब डिफ्रेंशिएशन कर लें जी। डिफ्रेंशिएशन जो P1 की है वहाँ तक काम करेंगे आज हम कि P1 में कौन सी डिफ्रेंशिएशन है। सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि डिफ्रेंशिएशन एक्चुअली इज द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ द कर्व एट एनी पॉइंट। सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डिफ्रेंशिएशंस. One is the equation of curve is, if the equation of curve is like this, x square minus 3x plus 7, then differentiate with respect to x. तो आप देखो power is 2, it is 3, 2 3s are 6. इस पावर को मल्टीप्लाई करो इसका कोफिशिएंट से, पहले y को लिखो, y become dy by dx, then 2 3s are 6x raised power 1 subtract the power by 1 into इसकी पावर 1 है, 3 1s are 3x raised power 0 1 minus 1 0 plus 7 becomes 0. So 6x minus 3 x raised power 0 become 1, dy by dx इक्वल्स टू 6x माइनस 3. इसको ना डिलीट कर दो, इसको डिलीट कर दो. जी, डिफरेंशिएशन, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशंस. इफ द कर्व इज लाइक दिस, y इक्वल्स टू ax रेज्ड पावर n. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करें जी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो इट बिकम्स dy बाय dx equals to power multiplied with coefficient a n x, माइनस कर दें पावर में से 1, n minus 1. For example, I am giving you another example for this. Example is y equals to 5x cube minus 6x square plus 7x minus 8. So dy by dx differentiated with respect to x, so y becomes dy by dx. 3 5s are 15, subtract 1 from the power x square. 2 6 are 12, x raised power 1 subtract करें जी पावर में से, power is 1, 7 1s are 7, x raised power 0, it become 1. The constant term becomes 0. So dy by dx equals to 3 5s are 15x square, 3 5s are 15, माइनस करें पावर में से, it become x square. 2 6 are 12, x raised power 1 plus 7x, it is 7, x raised power 0, ये खत्म हो गया. dy by dx equals to 15x square minus 12x plus 1. It is the first type. Another example number 1, example number 2. If it is y equals to 3 over x square minus 6x square, तो प्लीज रीअरेंज फर्स्ट. इट इज अरेंज्ड प्लस 7, सो प्लीज अरेंज दिस. 3x रेज्ड पावर माइनस 2, इसको ऊपर मूव करो, माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 7. देन नाउ डिफरेंशिएट, सो y बिकम dy बाय dx इक्वल्स टू 2 3s आर माइनस 6x रेज्ड पावर 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, माइनस 2 माइनस 1 माइनस 3, माइनस 2 6 are 12x, constant term becomes 0. So first arrange and then differentiate. It is the first type. Now second type y equals to ax plus b whole raised power n. So then differentiate y dy by dx स्टार्ट, पावर स्टार्ट में आ जाए, ax प्लस बी subtract 1 from the power. Now differentiate the bracket, ax plus b, differentiate this, so it become a, so multiply it with the differential. Example number 1 of second type. With a 3x minus 2 under root. Now first please arrange this in the form 3x minus 2 in the form of the power. Now it is very easy to differentiate this dy by dx. तो पावर को स्टार्ट में लेके आओ, इन द स्टार्ट 1/2 3x minus 2 1/2 minus 1. Now differentiate this one, 3x minus 2 को differentiate करें, then it will be equals to 3. So 3/2 into 3x minus 2 raised power minus 1/2. This become 3 over 2 under root 3x minus 2. These are the two types of differentiation. Now second example of type 2. 5x minus 1 whole raised power 6, y equals to. Now differentiate this, dy by dx equals to 6 will be in the start, 5x minus 1 whole raised power 5. Now differentiate the bracket, 5x minus 5, it is 5. 5 6 are 30 into 5x minus 1 whole raised power 5 is the answer. Example number 2 of second type. जी प्लीज, ये आ गई हमारी डिफरेंशिएशन जी. फर्स्ट टाइप है y इक्वल्स टू ए एक्स रेज्ड पावर n. तो n विल बी इन द स्टार्ट, इसको इसके साथ a के साथ मल्टीप्लाइड विद द कोफिशिएंट a n x n माइनस 1, पावर सब्ट्रैक्टेड a कर दीजिए -1. इट इज द फर्स्ट टाइप. अच्छा जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अरेंज दिस. ये जो मैंने एग्जाम्पल 2 दी है, इट इज नॉट अरेंज्ड, मूव इट. तो 3x रेज्ड पावर -2 माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 7. अब इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करें, डिफ्रेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो 2 3s आर -6, x रेज्ड पावर -3 माइनस 12x. ठीक है, और 3 5s आर 15x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 6 आर 12x प्लस 7. तो सेकेंड टाइप में it is in the form of a bracket and a power. So power will be in the start, dy by dx equals to n ax plus b, and then differentiate the bracket and multiply it with this. These are the two types of differentiation of P1. In P1 we have these two types of differentiations. जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अब इसकी एप्लीकेशंस हैं. एप्लीकेशंस आफ्टर द डिफरेंशिएशन. क्वेश्चन 1 कर रहे हैं, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल टू द कर्व, नॉर्मल टू the curve y equals to 6x square minus 3x minus 2 at 1, 2. Please draw the diagram. ये हो गया आपका point 1, 2. At this point it is the equation of tangent. The tangent is touching the curve at one point, and normal is at the same point. A perpendicular line to this tangent is called normal. normal and tangent. To find the equation of tangent and normal of this solution, first of all differentiate dy by dx equals to 12x minus 3. Put the value of x 1 comma 2, x equals to 1. Replace this. So dy by dx equals to 12 into 1 minus 3. It is 9. So dy by dx equals to 9. Actually it is the gradient of tangent. Gradient of tangent. So when we differentiate a curve and put a point in that curve, we will get the gradient of the tangent at that point. Is that clear? Now we have a gradient equals to 9, m equals to 9 and a point 1 comma 2. We can find the equation of straight line with the help of this gradient and a point. Y, use this formula, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Put the values. Y minus 2 equals to gradient is 9, x minus 1, 9x minus 9, y minus 2. It is equals to y equals to 9x minus 7 is the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Now to find the equation of normal, we will use the property of coordinate geometry in which m1, m2 equals to minus 1. As tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, so gradient of tangent is 9 into m2 equals to minus 1. So m2 equals to minus 1 over 9 is the gradient of normal. Gradient of normal. Now find the equation of normal with the help of gradient and point is the same point 1 comma 2. So y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x1. Y minus 2 equals to minus 1 over 9 into x minus 1. So 9y minus 18 equals to minus x plus 1. So 9y equals to minus x plus 19 is the equation of normal. Equation of normal. So with the help of differentiation, we can find the equation of tangent and normal. How can? Given है आपको equation of curve and a point, आप equation of curve को differentiate कर दो. dy by dx 12x minus 3. Actually it is the gradient of the curve at any point. So point is given to you. Please replace this point and this gradient. You will get the gradient which is equals to 9. So with the help of gradient and a given point, we can find the equation of tangent. And with the help of m1, m2 for perpendicular lines, for perpendicular lines. When the lines are perpendicular, then the gradient of the two lines equals to minus 1. So 9 into m2 equals to minus 1. So you can find the gradient of normal with this, reciprocal of the tangent, negative. So y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Values replace karo, you will get the equation of normal. Now it is the first application. Then आ जाता है stationary point. What is a stationary point? Stationary point. Condition for the stationary point, put dy by dx. dy by dx equals to 0. You will get the stationary point. Equation of curve, कोई भी equation of curve जो भी आपको given है, तो put dy by dx equals to 0. You will get the x coordinates of the stationary point. Like the same equation of curve y equals to 6x square minus 3x minus 2. So please differentiate dy by dx equals to 12x minus 3. Put dy by dx equals to 0. So 12x minus 3. 3 over 12 equals to x. 1 by 4. X equals to 1 over 4. Put this value of x. dy by dx को 0 करेंगे for stationary point on a curve. It is a minimum curve. Minimum curve के ऊपर, minimum curve, the turning point is also called the stationary point. On that stationary point, gradient is 0. Gradient is 0, that's why we put dy by dx equals to 0 to get the value of x. At this value of x, the curve is stationary at this point. It is the stationary point of the curve. Now x equals to 1 by 4, so y equals to 1 over 16, 6 over 16 minus 3 by 4 minus 2, solve करके put the value of y over here. So x comma y, it is the stationary point.